In this video, I'm going to show you how to change shipping prices inside of Shopify. First of all, make sure that you are signed in to your Shopify dashboard. In the bottom left corner, look for the settings option. Click on it. Once you are right here in the left section, you will find shipping and delivery. This section allows you to control everything related to shipping. So, right here under shipping, you have manage where you ship and how much you charge. So click on this button right here. And once you have done that, now you can see the shipping zones. You will most likely see the domestic, which is going to be your country, and then the international zone. Now, once you have defined the zones, you can choose the shipping. So for example, standard shipping, we have 3 to 4 business days. We can click on the 3 buttons on the left right here, and then click on edit rate. Once we have done that, we can simply edit the price that we would like. For example, we would like it to be lower, so $3.45. Once we have done that, simply click on done and make sure to save the settings, and you can see that the price has actually changed. Now you can do that with the shipping for each zone you would like and for each type of shipping. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.